Okay, press play, would you?
I already did.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Cool. So should we talk about my wrinkled shirt or? Welcome back, friends. I mean, really, you should welcome me back because it's been a few weeks. It's been fun. We've had 4 birthdays in the last 2 or 3 weeks. So we took some time off. Been real busy with family, which is great, always a priority, but now let's get back to the nitty-gritty of making delicious drinks. And today, we got a good one for you. It came from a good friend of the channel, Jeremy, and he sent me this and I said, wow, that looks really delicious. And we've been so busy, I haven't been able to really make anything. So this is 3 simple ingredients. I'm going to make it, and then I have a super exciting announcement for you. Something that I just want to share. You didn't like that?
I've never seen you do that.
Well, I've never had a super exciting announcement today.
I don't know if I would do.
Really? Okay.
You did it so fast.
Okay. And after I make the drink, I have just a real exciting announcement. I did a little finger thing earlier and Chelsea didn't really care for it, so I just wanted to throw it back in there just for her. So, real exciting announcement, but for now, let's get our ingredients.
You gotta keep your finger.
You don't like it? I say we keep it. Booyah. Let's do it first. Then,
You want me to still record?
of course. How's that look? Good? Okay. So for our drink today, which I will name shortly, we are going to be using this RUMISH. The company is Ish. They make lots of non-alcoholic spirits, which is great. We have from Portland Syrup's root beer syrup. And then finally, just your regular old soda water. So let's get our glass and let's build it. Okay, you're also gonna need stir and jigger. Cool. So I am going to make this recipe the exact way that Jeremy said, because there's one ingredient, this one, that wasn't very specific, so we'll see how it goes. So, this smells good. Never had this yet, but he said a drizzle of root beer syrup. So let's see, I like things pretty sweet, so I'm gonna do. That's a strong drizzle, as Chelsea said. All right, this is the Caribbean spiced spirit from Ish, the Mindful Drinking Company. Love that. We're gonna do 2 ounces of the Ish rum. Okay. And then simply fill to the top with soda water. Give that a nice little stir here. Chelsea, do you want a straw or no? Yeah? No straw. All right. How easy was that? There she goes. Thought I was gonna break it. Ooh, I would do more. So,
more?
Root beer. No, I want you to try it first. Just because I'm not getting a lot of the root beer in it. Okay, see, we agree. I'll make another one and measure this out for us, but let's go crazy. But my assumption is about 1 ounce to maybe 1.5 ounces of the syrup. All right, now let's give it a shot. Oh, wow, yeah, much better. That tastes like a rum and coke. That is so cool. That's good.
A lot better.
Yeah, right? So there you have it, guys. This is your RUMISH and Coke, a delicious, very simple recipe from our friend Jeremy. And keep them coming. If you guys have any drinks that you would like us to make, just put it in the description or DM us on any of our social media. I'd love to make it. And now, I'd like to share a little video with you. We live in a world that never sleeps, where production and consumption are the priority, where anger and fury fill hearts, where familial trauma takes shape, in a world where wounds are a silent companion, where addiction grips hearts, a beacon of hope emerges. The Clean Conference, with speakers Ben Lundquist, Ben Bennett from Josh McDowell Ministries and the Resolution Movement, Heather Kolb from Pure Desire Ministries, David Sedlacek from Into His Rest Ministries, with keynote speakers, breakout sessions, and one-of-a-kind non-alcoholic drinks from Clean Bar. The Clean Conference presents From Within. Trauma and addiction come in all forms. Recognize it, learn about it, gain tools to overcome it. Man, the man's voice in that trailer was quite manly, don't you think? So as some of you may know, clean is more than just non-alcoholic drinks. We care about building a community of people who are seeking positive growth in their life. And similar to this rumish, there may be some of you that feel like your life is happy-ish, or maybe you feel fulfilled-ish. Maybe there's things in your lives that are just not allowing you to live your life to the full-ish. So if you're interested at all in sharing your ish with other people, we have the Clean Conference coming up. If you're here in the Portland area, you can come and be in person Friday night, Saturday, all day Saturday and Sunday morning. If you are not in Portland, we are going to live stream all of our keynote sessions. Everything that we're going to be doing at Clean is free. So all we ask is that you just register, and registration is actually really great because we will A, know how much food we need to bring, but B, you'll also get free drinks. On Friday night and Saturday night, we will have a happy hour. And if you register before the event, all of your drinks are free. That's awesome. And for those of you that'll be live streaming, we're sorry that you can't partake in the drinks, but know that we will be thinking about you as we drink them. The last thing I want to share is that just what the trailer video says, that trauma comes in all forms. And so what we are trying to do is just recognize it, learn about it, and help overcome it. And the best way that we can do that is through the power of community, right? One of the big things we believe in is that the opposite of addiction is not sobriety, it's actually community. And so if you feel like you need to be in some sort of community, we want to help you with that. So grab your favorite ish drink and get down to Sunnyside Church. We will have a QR code down at the bottom of the screen, and also just head over to cleanconference.info, scroll down to register, and we would love to see you. Can't wait to see you in person. Thank you so much, and let's get our ish together, huh?